Hello everybody, my name is Pritesh and I'm your host and your trainer from LearnBay. Welcoming you to the very required and much needed basic to advanced course in Excel or Google Sheets with ChatGPT. Well, every industry today, whether it is BFSI or healthcare or HR or marketing or retail or supply chain, every single industry deals with lots and lots of data. And where is all this data noted? Where all of this data is noted or kept a record of in Excel or Google Sheets. But all of us who deal with data face a lot of problem when it comes to cleaning the data or modifying the data or validating the data or sorting the data. And that is where ChatGPT or GenAI comes to the rescue. It helps us to become a pro at Excel or Sheets, that is just with ChatGPT or GenAI. So what we are going to do in this particular course is, let me tell you, it is an Excel basic to advanced course with ChatGPT. What we are going to deal with is, we will begin with the introduction. Now, what do you mean by introduction? So it is for all those who are new to Excel or GPT. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to teach you everything from the basics, right? From where to begin with, from where to start your Excel sheet or your ChatGPT. I'll be dealing with the basics on how can you start using ChatGPT to take care of all your operations on that spreadsheet. The next one is basic of Excel and Chat, wherein we are going to deal with the basic prompts. You know, the basic prompts that will help us to deal with data. Also, we'll be generating a lot of data sets, a lot of sample data, which will help us to work and play around on the sheet. The next comes functions and formulas. Well, this is the most important part, because herein we'll be understanding that how can you add the data, how can you subtract the data, how can you arrange the data from left to right, right to left, how do you extract names from the email addresses, how do you use VLOOKUP. All of these functions and formulas we'll be doing with the help of ChatGPT. And the last but not the least is Excel for different purposes. Now this includes Excel for business analysis, Excel for data analysis, Excel for everybody who deals with data in a very large volume. Again, we'll be doing all of this with the help of GenAI, that is ChatGPT. Now, to just show you on how the course is going to look like. So here I have got my tab open of my Excel sheet, wherein I'll be showing you that how we'll be going ahead. So first and foremost, we will be dealing with sum. So the functions and formulas begin with sum. So sum, and then we'll be dealing with profits, right? After profits, we'll be understanding the if function. Now, if you see over here in the if also, if I've got the manufacturing date and the expiry date and the product, I'll be understanding whether my product is expired or not expired. Again, I don't have to do the calculations. I'll just use the if function and get my answer. How? With the help of ChatGPT. Left and right. Now over here, I have got the name of the participant and I have just separated both the names as the first name and last name. How did I do it? With the help of ChatGPT. I did not write one name in every cell. I just used a formula and I got my answer. How did I get this formula? How did I get this function? Again, with the help of ChatGPT. Then we talk about date if. Now see, if the date of birth is this, how do I get the age? Again, using a formula. So all of this and a lot more waits for you in the upcoming sessions. All you need to do is, you just need to stay tuned with us, right? Just give me a minute. So what you need to do is, you just need to go to chatgpt.com. We are using a free version. We are not using the paid version because many of us don't have access to the paid version. So we'll be using the free version of GPT. We'll be writing our prompts, getting the functions, and we'll become a pro at Excel. So what you need to do is, you just need to stay tuned with me. You need to trust what you're going to learn, and you need to practice. Don't worry, we'll be supplying you with as much data sets as possible, but so that you do not miss out on any update and you attend all the videos which are absolutely free of cost that make you a pro at Excel. All you need to do is like this video, share it with everybody, because as I told in the beginning, in any and every industry, we all are dependent on spreadsheets for our data. And subscribe to LearnBay so that you do not miss out on any video that we publish. So until we meet next, this is Pritesh, your trainer from LearnBay, signing off. See you soon.